Have you ever thought about what your life will look like after you retire? Retirement planning is crucial, yet many people overlook it until it's too late. Imagine enjoying your golden years without financial stress, traveling, or spending time with family. It all starts with understanding the importance of saving and investing wisely. In this video, we'll share valuable tips that can help you secure a comfortable future. So, make sure to stick around until the end, where we'll provide insights that could change your retirement game. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great advice on financial planning. Your future self will thank you for taking these steps today. Let's dive into the world of retirement planning. Many people mistakenly believe that Social Security and pensions will cover their retirement needs entirely. This misconception can lead to severe financial insecurity. Relying solely on these sources often results in a significant income gap, as they typically replace only a fraction of pre-retirement earnings. Additionally, Social Security benefits can be affected by factors like work history and age at retirement, making them unpredictable. Pensions are becoming less common, and many workers may not have access to them at all. It's crucial to understand that a comprehensive retirement plan should include personal savings, investments, and other income sources. By acknowledging these misconceptions, individuals can take proactive steps to secure their financial future and ensure a comfortable retirement lifestyle. Understanding how to calculate your retirement needs accurately is crucial for building a realistic savings plan that ensures a comfortable lifestyle after you stop working. Many people underestimate the amount they will need, leading to financial stress in their golden years. By assessing your future expenses, such as housing, healthcare, and leisure activities, you can create a clearer picture of your financial requirements. This process allows you to identify how much you need to save each month to reach your goals. It's not just about saving, it's about saving smartly. A well-calculated retirement plan can provide peace of mind, enabling you to enjoy your retirement years without the worry of financial insecurity. Start today to secure a more comfortable tomorrow. Understanding your personal monthly expenses is crucial for effective retirement planning. By tracking costs such as housing, groceries, and healthcare, you can create a personalized financial benchmark. For instance, knowing your monthly rent or mortgage payment helps you estimate how much you'll need in retirement. Similarly, budgeting for groceries ensures you account for essential living expenses. Healthcare costs can be unpredictable, but estimating them based on your current needs can provide a clearer picture of future financial requirements. By analyzing these expenses, you can identify areas to cut back or save more, ultimately leading to a more secure retirement. This understanding empowers you to make informed decisions and set realistic savings goals, ensuring that your retirement lifestyle aligns with your financial capabilities. As you embark on your retirement planning journey, it's crucial to assess your unique circumstances. Each person's financial needs vary significantly based on lifestyle choices and geographic location. For instance, living in a high-cost city may require a larger retirement fund compared to a more affordable area. Additionally, your lifestyle, whether you prefer dining out often or enjoy a simpler, more frugal life, will directly impact your financial requirements. Take time to evaluate your current expenses and future aspirations. Are you planning to travel extensively or maintain a modest lifestyle? Understanding these factors will help you create a tailored retirement strategy that meets your specific needs. Remember, what works for one person may not be suitable for another, so personalizing your plan is essential for a secure financial future. When planning for retirement, it's crucial to consider annual expenses and unexpected costs that can significantly impact your financial stability. For instance, property taxes can fluctuate, and failing to account for these can lead to budget shortfalls. Additionally, medical emergencies can arise at any time, often resulting in hefty bills that can derail even the best-laid plans. Imagine facing a sudden health crisis without adequate savings to cover those expenses. It can be devastating. By incorporating these potential costs into your retirement strategy, you create a more robust financial plan. This foresight allows you to enjoy your retirement without the constant worry of unexpected financial burdens. Remember, planning for the unexpected is just as important as saving for the expected. As you plan for retirement, it's crucial to prepare for the unexpected. Life can throw curveballs, from medical emergencies to home repairs, which is why establishing a contingency fund is essential. Aim to set aside a percentage of your annual budget. Experts often recommend 10% to 15%. This fund acts as a financial cushion, ensuring that unforeseen expenses don't derail your retirement savings. By planning for these unexpected costs, you can maintain your lifestyle without stress. Consider this fund as a safety net, allowing you to enjoy your retirement with peace of mind. Remember, the goal is to be proactive rather than reactive, so start allocating those funds today. This small step can make a significant difference in your financial security during retirement. To calculate your total retirement needs, start by adding your monthly expenses. For instance, if your housing costs are $200, groceries are $400, and healthcare is $300, your monthly total comes to $1,900. Multiply this by 12 to find your annual expenses, which equals $22,800. Next, consider your annual expenses, such as property taxes of $3,000 and insurance of $1,500, totaling $4,500. Now, combine your annualized monthly expenses with your annual expenses. That's $22,800 plus $4,500, giving you a total of $27,300 needed each year in retirement. This example illustrates how understanding both monthly and annual expenses is crucial for accurate retirement planning, ensuring you save enough for a comfortable lifestyle without financial stress. The 4% Withdrawal Rule is a popular guideline for sustainable retirement savings, helping retirees determine how much they can withdraw annually without depleting their savings. Essentially, this rule suggests that withdrawing 4% of your retirement portfolio each year can provide a steady income while preserving your capital for at least 30 years. To apply this rule effectively, you first need to calculate your total retirement savings and then multiply that amount by 0.04. This figure will give you a rough estimate of your annual withdrawal limit. By adhering to this guideline, you can create a sustainable retirement plan that balances your spending needs with the longevity of your savings. Remember, it's essential to adjust your withdrawal strategy based on market conditions and personal circumstances for optimal results. Inflation can significantly erode the purchasing power of your retirement savings, making it crucial to adjust withdrawal amounts over time. When planning for retirement, it's essential to recognize that the cost of living will likely rise, impacting everything from groceries to healthcare. If you withdraw the same amount annually without accounting for inflation, you may find yourself struggling to maintain your desired lifestyle. To combat this, consider increasing your withdrawals by a percentage that reflects inflation rates. This adjustment ensures that your purchasing power remains intact throughout retirement. Regularly reviewing your financial plan and making necessary adjustments will help you navigate the challenges posed by inflation, allowing you to enjoy your retirement years without financial stress. Remember, proactive planning is key to a secure financial future. When planning for retirement, understanding life expectancy is crucial. It directly influences your financial requirements and withdrawal strategies. If you expect to live longer, you'll need a larger nest egg to cover your expenses over the years. This means calculating how much you'll need to withdraw annually to maintain your desired lifestyle. For instance, if you plan for a 30-year retirement, your savings must stretch further than if you expect to retire for just 20 years. Additionally, considering life expectancy helps in determining the right investment approach. A longer lifespan may require a more aggressive strategy to ensure your funds last. Ultimately, factoring in life expectancy leads to smarter financial decisions, ensuring you won't outlive your savings and can enjoy a comfortable retirement. As we wrap up, let's recap the essential points we've covered today. First, proactive planning is crucial. Relying solely on Social Security or pensions can leave you vulnerable. Understanding your unique monthly expenses, including housing and healthcare, allows for a tailored retirement strategy. We discussed the importance of assessing your lifestyle choices and geographic location, which significantly impact financial needs. Additionally, factoring in annual expenses and setting up a contingency fund for unexpected costs can safeguard your retirement. Remember the 4% withdrawal rule as a guideline for sustainable savings, and be mindful of inflation's impact on your withdrawals. Lastly, consider life expectancy in your planning. Personalizing your retirement strategy based on these factors is vital for a secure financial future. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these insights on retirement planning. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content that can guide you in securing a comfortable future. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Additionally, we have a wealth of resources available for you to explore further. Check out our website and social media channels for articles, tools, and tips that dive deeper into retirement strategies. Remember, planning for retirement is a journey, and the more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make the right decisions. Let's embark on this journey together, ensuring a financially secure and fulfilling retirement for everyone.